We make tools to let our customers change the world. Markforged is a company that makes 3D printers that allows you to have an idea and then turn that idea into a strong functional part same day. And you can do this for aluminum, titanium, stainless steel, carbon fiber, Kevlar. Anything you can think of, you can now have in your hands the same day, next day. When Henry Ford founded Ford, it took him 5 years to go from having an idea to the first Model T rolling off the assembly line. You fast forward 100 years later, Elon Musk founds Tesla. It takes that same 5 years to come out with the Roadster. So 100 years of hardware innovation, it still takes us 5 years to make a product. Everybody who designs parts has the same problem. You usually wait 4 to 6 weeks to get that part back, and then it costs, $1,000. That was the world that we inherited. You could either pick between a $1 million metal machine, a $70,000 plastic machine, or this new class of desktop printers that were these $5,000 plastic machines that worked like 10% of the time. And we took that idea of this low-cost, accessible machine, and we just reinforced it with a better material, either carbon fiber or now metal. Now you can buy this printer and you design the part, and then the same day you have that part for $20. When we went to the trade show and showed this off, it was like, this is a revolutionary price machine, it's beautiful, it prints this crazy strong material. People's minds were blown, but it was almost so much change so quickly, it was hard to digest. And you fast forward 4 years later, these things fly off the shelf, people love them, they use them for millions of applications. One of the key threads that unites our team is speed, focus, and excellence in execution. One of the most exciting parts of this company is the impact. There was a stat the year we launched that 66% of mechanical engineers had never tried 3D printing. Now we have printers in 50 countries, we're in like 90% of the Fortune 100. The best way to describe 3D printing with Markforged, it's like having a superpower. You used to wait like 5 weeks and now you just have it like tomorrow. And this market is just beginning.